Howdy, hombres! My name's L.A.zy, I'm called Devil May Cry 1. We're on Mission 9, new strength. After facing off with Phantom in the last battle, thank God we finally defeated him. We're moving on forward. Use the new strength to open up the door. I'm guessing it means that we have to use the artifact that we recovered to open the door. There's the bridge that we actually put down in the last one. And I guess we're not going back there anymore. Wait, we can't? I don't know what this glowy platform is for. Damn, look at that. Look at all this platform. What we got? There's a message card in the stone. It seems to be a story of some kind. Destiny awaits somewhere deep in the Coliseum. So deep in the Coliseum, you say? I don't think I'm quite fond of that. Usually Coliseums mean big bosses. And you all know my track record for big bosses. If the fight with Phantom were any indication. Oh, this is a long way down. Damn, that sword looks so badass though. Green orb. But what do we got? Oh boy, you guys do not look like mercenaries. Shit. Damn it. Discord's popping off. Not the best time. Shit. Gold orb. I need it. Shit. You guys, fuck off already. At least we got one. We got ourselves to continue. Fuck. Okay, one down. Shit. Motherfucker. Shit. I am not gonna last. Fuck. I need that orb. Badly. Oh! Yes, thank you. Stupid bitch. Another one down. These guys are really tough to bring down. It's bad enough that they move like crazy. Whoa, you can shoot blood as well. That's it for you. Anyone else? Oh, thank God, no more of them. Okay, so we got several entrances. A door leading there, and a pathway there. But which one is the right one? According to the green area in that map, our destination is that way. Let's go. By the way, I should also note that this game takes up shitloads of memory to record, even though it's just a simple HD remaster. This game must have led to the outside, but it's been destroyed, and that means it can't go through. So yeah, as I was saying, this game, say 20 minutes of footage on this game takes up about 100 gigs. That is insane. A simple remaster. Crystal magical powers. Recover 5 double trigger gauges. I only got 3. And I'm not even certain how to use them properly. Okay, there were 2 ladders leading up. I don't think there's much else. Oh, there is something else. Up there, and what we got here? Oh, there is an entranceway. And there is a magical seal. So that means we must... There's something unlockable here. Alright. Well, first I'm gonna head back and see... What What the hell was that noise? No idea what the hell that is. Another yellow orb. Just what I need. Okay, let's see what that seal does. Show me all your secrets. Platforms. They have weird seals on them. I hope they're not timed though. Okay. Here I thought Crash Bandicoot platform didn't have proper depth perception. Okay. So far, so good. So far, so good. Ooh! Give me that. There's an inscription on the base. My name is Ifrit. The fool who awakens me shall pay dearly with fires of hell. And that fool is us. Oh boy. What did we just get? Whatever it is, it causes Dante great pain. Ifrit, a flaming gauntlet that gives the possessor increased powers. Ooh. Can we change weapons? Okay. Whoa, it's like the Biowolf gloves from Devil May Cry 3. Awesome. Nice. A little bit more careful with it. You little shithead. That was cool, and I'm betting there are going to be more cool moves to unlock with it. Alright. Whoa. Oh boy. A phoenix bird or some shit?
Are you the human, the son of Sparta who challenges
You're one fugly bird.
Block off, Featherface, or you can stick around and find out the hard way.
Oh god damn it, a boss fight. Woo! We got some nasty attacks. It's a good thing the field's a little bit big, so you can kind of telegraph his moves. Shit. Probably won't reach him. Okay, that didn't work. You go here. Okay, so, okay. Taking cover is not a good idea. His magic reaches through walls. Fuck. God damn it, I fucking hate boss battles like this. We're leaving because we don't have time for this shit. down. Okay, can you change weapons? Wait. Yes, change weapons. Force has guns. More animation. Takes a while to reload, but damn, it's powerful. Okay, so you need accuracy and precision with this. Woof! And woof! Whoa! And woof! Oh, nice! Woo! If I knew this gun did that much damage, I would have equipped it a long time ago. Okay, he's going up. I don't know how the grenade gun moves. Okay, I can't hit it up close. I'm loving the accuracy on this thing. I'm not loving the fact that I'm getting hit. Let's go. A little bit more, a little bit more. One more shot. Oh, nice. Okay, now that that's taken care of. What does the map say? Yeah, there are 3 doors. One's locked. There's decoration resembling 2 knights. Peter's as though the knight should hold something. Words are carved beneath decoration. Shields that glow with light, and a pair of lances show the battleground. Shield. Are we talking about this one? He's outside. There's an emblem of a shield and a door that glows with red light. So red lights for some reason. More orbs. And a blue seal. There's an emblem of a shield and a door that glows with blue light. And move it. Alright. Ah, that was the wrong path we took. It was this door. Silly me. Words are carved to me. A pair of flames that dwell with strength to open the path. So, are you talking about these? Because we can provide you. A pair of flames. Oh. Could have said so. Okay. Let's see where the hell this goes. A forest. Oh, this reminds me of Resident Evil Outbreak. What was the scenario called? Memories, where we had to traverse the abandoned hospital. Judging these sounds? Ah, puppets. Alright, I can waste my time with you. A master puppet. with flaming wheels. Amazing. Okay. He's back more. Cool. He's not back anymore. Shit. Thank you to the orb. And I'm dead. Awesome. Great. Last yellow orb. Well, let's change back to L.A.zy. Yeah, let's use this. Good timing. It's too easy. This boss already. You piece of shit. Nice one. That dealt with them quickly. Let's get going already. 1400. That's Stinger, level 2. And I'm down to 20. Whoa, purposefully more distance now. Really, bitch? Slumbag. Stay down. Nice. Two can do that, only with explosive counter surprises. You whole bag. Shit. Won't you guys just retire already? Alright. Motherfuckers. Oh, that was shitloads of them. Oh, now I get it. Those things can actually be blocked by your orbs. Not a very savory mechanic if you like want to save up some orbs for, I don't know, acquiring skills or upgrades. Mission clear, 19 minutes. Orbs. 1300, and I wasted them all. Well, not wasted, upgrading skill. 100. Alright, let's see. It's a nice single thing. This game has 20 missions, and I guess we're almost halfway through. So, oh, what's to say? Goddamn, I hate coming into boss battles unprepared completely. I had no vital star with me, and he ended up kicking my ass the first time. But hey, at least we got him the second time. It's a good thing I equipped the grenade launcher, and I found out that you can actually switch weapons on the fly. I mean, not like automatically like you do in Devil May Cry 3, but just like entering your inventory system and changing weapons from there. Grenade launcher is so damn awesome. Requires precision, proper timing, but it's damn effective if you have those. So, without further ado, that's this video. Thank you all who watched. And hopefully, I'll see you all next time. Bye-bye!